Welcome to the video edition of Conference Whispers, NAB Show 2024. The NAB Show was held in Las Vegas, Nevada, April 13th to the 17th. Conference Whispers, NAB Show 2024 was published April 24th, 2024, and is research code 2041. With Analyst, Dr. Doreen Galli. Conference vibe. After 85 flights of stairs and 40,000 steps and some 12 Vegas loop trips, our coverage of the 2024 NAB Show produced by the National Association of Broadcasters ends. NAB Show 2024 exhibitions surpassed last year's by nearly 30%, with 700,000 square feet in all. Attendance came in at 61,000 attendees, with 27% coming from international destinations. NAB PAC contributions were recognized in the West Hall. The conference leveraged the entire indoor conference exhibit space in the Las Vegas Convention Center, West Hall, Central Hall, South Upper, and South Lower, as well as a few rooms in the North Hall. A majority of the North Hall was under construction. Fortunately, the Vegas Loop was running with free rides, so no one needed to walk the entire distance. We took advantage of the loop no less than a dozen times. When asked, attendees reported that their business objectives were met and described it as really good. Once again, the quality of attendees itself was mentioned by the exhibitions. Our entire playlist of the video research for the NAB Show is available online on our YouTube channel. Deep learning and generative AI in media. With over 200 exhibitions and over 150 presentations on AI, generative AI was once again the star of the show. Amid the buzz about AI and deep learning transforming broadcasting, one question was on the mind of video engineers. Will it affect our jobs? Louise Winter had an answer in her keynote. If you're adapting and using the new technologies, you'll be fine. No different from the move from tapes. More importantly, we'll not only be able to deliver something acceptable, but have the time to make it great. Another keynote emphasized the importance of great metadata for your assets if you want to fully leverage deep learning solutions in sports coverage. As one might expect, there were countless examples of tools for production and distribution, and each of the tasks involved. Pixelot was on hand with their exciting deep learning automated sports tracking leveraged for the streaming sports. Their solution leveraged the state-of-the-art cameras and patented technology that stitched it all together. As would be expected, each sport has its own model. In fact, they had over 10,000 live events streaming as I conducted the interview. Pixelot also includes capabilities for monetizing said sports streams. One keynote provided a demo of Adobe Premiere Pro, something admittedly didn't recall seeing at the Adobe Summit. Backlight showcased their extensive collection of products for media content creation and distribution. Backlight's solution leverages AI and generative AI to simplify media workflows. Backlight allows horizontal and vertical video distribution. Backlight leverages their own AI and LLM models to transcribe the video and audio. That transcription is then used to quickly generate all the metadata to put on social media. They leverage automation to automate the creation of sport highlight clips out to social media by registering all key moments as the game plays. Finally, their solution also enables monetization. Amazon and AWS were at NAB Show in full force. A huge display was on hand where they shared their entire generative AI stack for those looking to develop solutions. Experts were on hand if you had any questions, including seeking insights on Amazon's Bedrock. In the Microsoft Pavilion, Symphony AI was there as part of the Beat the Buzzer architecture that enables viewers to play along with game shows. Microsoft offered a pilot demonstration of AI-enabled marketing. Transcription and translation are a big area of deep learning in broadcasting and media, sometimes referred to as localization. This topic was featured in a keynote as well as exhibits. Microsoft featured their solution based on OpenAI. Trent featured their text-to-speech solution adopted across the industry. One exciting development is the ability to do full motion capture without putting on a special suit. In fact, Zero Space Capture was on exhibit sharing their solution. Interestingly, the room only requires 15 minutes to set up the space to capture. With all this generative content capability shown, stopping misinformation and deepfakes was a very popular topic featured in the keynote. The solution involves knowledge of the content frequently commuted through metadata. To that end, Hand, Human, and Digital shared their solution for identity intelligence for notable talent. Broadcasting technologies. Leveraging capabilities of 5G, XGN featured their solution that enables users to connect direct to mobile to send content from the field. No SIM card required. Cobalt Digital to their extensive collection of open gear based on 2110, 12G, and ultra-low frequency. Their gear also supports RESTful APIs. Cobalt Digital featured routers, control panels, and multi-viewers for video and audio processing. As might be expected, with the continual increase in resolution, a new video compression standard is being rolled out and is already rolled out in Brazil. In the LCEVC showcase, all the providers with their next generation of tech leveraging LCEVC were on display. Attendees also focuses on compression for the purpose of technologies such as Apple Vision Pro, which they showed off in the exhibition. Once you create all your content, if you wanted to manage the programming data so it's accurate and every programming listing, Titan TV shared their solution. If you wanted to optimize the way in which you manage your ad campaigns, ShowSeeker shared their solution to simplified advertising scheduling. For those seeking cost-effective or additional footprints to deliver content or to serve underserved areas, Varnish presented their highly cost-effective region. HP demonstrated their HP Anywhere, enabling remote teams to leverage the compute power that was not on the remote site. Storage, the sustainable storage solution that leveraged unused electronic storage space that we covered in Conference Whispers World CryptoCon 2019 and last year's Conference Whispers 100th Anniversary NAB Show. For those requiring the ability to manage labor and payroll for that remote labor, ProCrew shared their solution. If keeping track of and on top of all compliance requirements for broadcasting streaming is your challenge, then Vela exhibited their products. Broadcast stars and the creator economy. NAB Show also featured technology and solutions to support the creator economy. In Vimeo's session, they stated that one can expect 2% of free YouTube subscribers to convert to paid subscribers on Vimeo. For those wishing to participate in a reality show about making creators or leveraging it for advertising, the team from the TV show Follow Me had a lively panel. The central main stage featured an interview with Jennifer Hudson. During the interview, Jennifer told the audience that she's always cheering for everyone. A great session on diversity in broadcasting featured the Las Vegas Aces, Alicia Clark, who majored in broadcasting during her career. Alicia Clark made a great point to all that inclusion means opening prime spots to diversity, be it TV slots or board and executive spots in corporate America. NAB announced that next year's conference will be held in Las Vegas, April 5th through April 9th, 2025. Remember, when vendors' names are shared as examples in a Conference Whispers, is to provide a concrete example of what was on display at this conference, not an evaluation or recommendation. Evaluation and recommendations of these vendors is beyond the scope of this specific research. Other examples of products in the same category may have been on display. This has been Conference Whispers NAB Show 2024, research code 2041, and I'm Dr. Doreen Galli. Have an amazing day, and please subscribe.